What's in the box? Each kit contains 3 Philips Hue white and color medium lumen a 1960-watt LED smart bulbs, able to fit most lamps, overhead lights, and 4-inch recessed cans, Philips Hue hub that can reliably control up to 50 Hue lights without slowing your Wi-Fi, and 1 smart button with mounting plates. Voice activated. By using the Hue hub, these smart bulbs connect to your favorite smart home devices like Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant for the ultimate smart home experience. Easy versatile. The Hue Smart button is easy to use and install. Equipped with magnets, tape, and a wall bracket, the button can be placed in multiple locations in multiple ways. No hard wiring required. Control your lights without touching your smartphone. Schedule your own custom light scenes. With the Philips Hue app you can set routines to help you feel energized in the morning, have your lights detect when you arrive home, or turn the smart lights off gradually as you head to bed. Expand your Philips Hue ecosystem. You can easily expand on your starter kit when you purchase other Hue light points accessories. Try adding a Hue tap switch for control without touching your smartphone. Add a Hue play to set the perfect scene for your next binge-worthy show. Top reviews from the United States. The best. What else can I say? I have tried thousands of dollars worth of bulbs over the years and these Philips Hue bulbs are the absolute best and most reliable ones out there. They were the first brand I tried way back and the only brand I will use now. They aren't the brightest or the cheapest but all in all they work extremely well and are always reliable and the colors are excellent. I use them with both Siri and Alexa. The app is great but not really needed once it's all set up. I use the colored ones in the bedroom and den and set them to various colors depending on mood and music. Just for fun, if you ask for blue, anything you have nearby with fluorescent coloring will glow like they would under a standard black light bulb. Very cool. I really couldn't imagine living without these bulbs. Again, they aren't cheap but for me they are worth every penny and they really last. I have some that are at least 3 years old and still get used every single day. Buy these and take the time to set them up in the app, you will not regret it.